If you're looking for high protein wraps that are easy to make and don't require a long list of ingredients, this video is for you. Welcome to my channel. I'm Capri Lily, and after I shared my high protein chickpea wraps in my meal prep series, so many of you asked for the recipe. So today I'm showing you 3 high protein wraps, each made with just 2 main ingredients. They're gluten-free, grain-free, easy to meal prep, and each one gives you a different texture depending on how you want to use it. So we're getting straight into it. First up is a spinach wrap, and this one is probably the easiest one of all of them. All you need is fresh spinach and eggs. I like adding a couple cloves of garlic for flavor, and sometimes I add moringa powder for an extra nutrient boost. Just 1 tablespoon adds about 3 grams of protein and a good amount of iron, around 30% of your daily needs. You just blend the spinach with the eggs until smooth, then pour it into a pan and cook until it's set. The spinach gives it this beautiful green color, but the flavor is really mild, so you can fill it with almost anything. You'd be surprised, but it actually doesn't taste eggy at all. I love this one because it's light, flexible, and has about 14 grams of protein per wrap. It's perfect for breakfast wraps, turkey roll-ups, or anything where you want a soft protein-rich wrap without using flour. And because it's made with eggs, it's also naturally grain-free, gluten-free, which I love. Next is chickpea flour wraps, and this one is one of my favorites if you want something that feels more like a traditional tortilla or flatbread. Chickpea flour is naturally gluten-free and grain-free as well, but it also is rich in plant-based protein and fiber. For this one, you mix chickpea flour with tapioca starch and water until it forms a smooth batter. The tapioca starch helps make the wrap softer, more flexible, and less likely to crack when you fold it. I also like to add a couple pieces of roasted red pepper. It adds a bit of flavor, but also gives the wrap a nice red color. Once the ingredients are blended together, I let the batter rest for about 10 minutes or so and check to make sure the consistency is pourable. Then cook it in a hot pan until it sets and becomes flexible, which is usually about 1 to 2 minutes per side. You'll see bubbles forming similar to a pancake, and when there are lots, you know it's time to flip. What I love about this wrap is how versatile it is. You can make it larger, around 10 inches for a burrito style wrap, or make it smaller and thinner like a soft tortilla. You can also make it slightly thicker if you want something like a flatbread texture. It's soft, it's flexible, it holds really well together, which makes it great for wraps. And this one is my particular favorite to use for breakfast burritos, and they freeze well and reheat perfectly, so they're great for meal prep. Each wrap has about 12 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber, depending on how large you make it. Last is the flaxseed wrap, and this one is especially good for tacos. Flaxseed is rich in fiber, plant-based omega-3s. Each wrap has about 7 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, and it's a great option if you want something grain-free and high in fiber. For this, you mix the ground flaxseed with boiled water to form a dough. The water needs to be very hot when you add it, and just keep stirring until all the flax absorbs the water and the dough naturally starts to unstick. Once it's cool enough to touch, you can form it into a ball and cut into 4 equal pieces and flatten each out with a rolling pin. I like adding parchment paper on top and bottom to make it easier to roll out. You'll want them thin like a tortilla, about 1/16 of an inch, and then you'll just cook them on a skillet for about 2 minutes on each side. This wrap is a little more earthy than the others, but it's sturdy and works really well with taco fillings, roasted vegetables, avocado, beans, or anything saucy. So these are the 3 high protein wraps. These wraps are simple, flexible, and such an easy way to add more protein and fiber to your meals without relying on store-bought wraps. If you try one, let me know which one you make first and what you think of it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.